I want to share how you can get started growing roses very simply and on a very small scale. Hey, how are you, home and garden friends? Hack number one is to order your roses online from a reputable business. That way you know that your rose bush is going to be high quality, disease resistant, and hardy. I just got an order from Jackson and Perkins, famous rose growers. Here's the box that they came in. Each of these was wrapped very carefully in this. And you can see there's a little bit of raffia at the top with a rubber band to hold it together so it won't fall out. And they were positioned like this, where the pots were on their side and the leaves and the main part of the bush was protected in the center. Very, very cool. So in the box, of course, I had my order form, a little thank you card from Jackson and Perkins. It's just a neat little card that says thank you for your order, and it has some directions on how to plant your roses. Hack number two is to buy particular types of roses that are hardy, disease resistant, and not a lot of trouble. I wanted to show you quickly a mature Don Juan climbing rose that I've had in my garden for years. Very low maintenance, but it has a lot of fragrance. Reputable rose companies will have choices like this. This one is my favorite. I'll list some of those companies in the description box below that you can trust. Hack number three to growing roses easily, whether you're planting them in the ground or you're planting them in a container, you want to just follow the directions. Roses all love full sun. They are thirsty, but you want to water them from underneath, make sure they drain well, and then give them a lot of air flow.